Hi, my name is Aisyah and this is my entrepreneur journey. Here are the entrepreneurial process. In finding a startup I'm running now, a lot of effort have been made. Initially, I was interested in running a business in the service sector, namely in the event organizer. After that, Twitter appeared with its data selection tool whose measurement process only used the time. But this Twitter still has to be developed and has to go through several processes and tests that are quite long because this tool is related to accuracy and the human body. Then appeared of Fruta, where the idea for Fruta itself is to sell liquid from fruit, to that the fruit is durable and doesn't change color, but it's running still, this business is still half-hearted. Finally appeared the idea to build Ronarias, where coincidentally the founder of Ronarias themselves are all women. There is another idea that I am interested in being EO. I still want to merge the idea for Ronarias with EO. Challenges will always be found. One is where there is uncertainty and hesitancy from the founder about his own idea, which is one of the challenges found in this process. Look at the possible idea that can be implemented. The ideas that have been collected must to be validated. One way to validate the idea is to chat with a lot of other people. When I chat with other people, especially my friends, I feel that one by one the idea I have, I can validate it. Especially when I hang out with my friends, I tell them what idea I have after that my friend respond to it and also share the experience that they have. Besides that, we can share each other about new insight and knowledge that we might not know. In the process of selecting a target market that is certainly in accordance with the idea of what will we bring and the idea can solve what problem. From here, we can find that who needs our idea, someone who can try it too, but knowing whether the idea is valid or not, or it is important or not. Besides that, knowledge is also important too, but it is one of the challenges in processing adaptation. Something that can be improved when validating an idea is by conducting an experiment, which in doing this experiment can assess and validating the idea. In addition, it also requires an experience and knowledge about the industry we are entering. This is important because one way of validating from ourselves is by knowing about the industry we are entering. That can still be improved in the future. One of them is getting an experience, and from the experience can open up opportunities or new ideas that want to be developed. Currently, Ronarias is entering growth and scale. One of our way for growth and scale is by doing product development. In 2021, we have carried out several new product development, namely module services and Scarf. For module services itself, I participate in contributing to finding my friends who have to be potential to become our partners and also photographers. For the scarf product that Ronarias produce, I am responsible for surveying and choosing which vendor is right for producing scarf from Ronarias. I also help to find design reference and input from the design that will be featured in Ronarias. As entrepreneurs, we cannot stand still. There are many ways that we must try to do to keep growing to scale in the business that we are developing. I chose Karina Bernanita. The reason why I chose her is because she is one of the young Indonesians who is included in Forbes, one of the few Indonesian women who are included in Forbes, and she is one of the co-founder of Itlah. She is a graduate of Fashion Marketing and Management at Raffles Design Institute in Singapore. Before building a culinary business, Karina had become a professional fashion stylist. She was a marketing executive. Itlah currently has 24 outlets across 6 cities in Indonesia. In June 2016, the first outlet was opened at Pantai Indah Kapuk, North Jakarta. Itlah has a vision, namely to build an Indonesian brand that can enter the international market. The reflection from Karina's journey is the way to maintain Itlah brands, because having more than 20 brands is not easy. Her courage to enter the F&B business, and even though there is no background in the industry, she knows the point but have to be always motivated and to stand out again. The experience that she has helped her as the foundation for starting and running a business. Here are my entrepreneurial journey at SBM, my first business team in SBM that is Pafor, and also get awarded Capitalist for Business Simulation in 2018. Establishing a food business with my high school and also my best friend, it is Hadid. And joining business exhibition with Titik Perca. Meet my current business team, Ronarias joining PMWare Expo OP 2020, getting business fund twice from LPK, and finally Ronarias has first birthday party, take a part in handling customer, and also launching new product for Ronarias. My entrepreneur journey plan under 30. I choose entrepreneur after having working experience. I want to find more experience that I get know by entering the world of work, where I can meet people from different educational background, where I want to get a new perspective in seeing the world and surrounding, also knowledge too. But still, my main job is to be an entrepreneur, so that there are times when I become a leader and also become an employee. That way I can feel how real empathy is, just like a billionaire named Amancio Ortega, where one of the reasons why he can be successful is that there is a high sense of empathy for his employee, because he feels that the most important asset in this business is human resource. My parents who are very supportive of this children's decision, they really supporting me to become an entrepreneur and learn business, because they felt that one of their children should understanding of business, thus they can continue and maintain of their businesses. Hi, my future husband, or maybe you already my husband when you're watching this video. I want to say thank you for always supporting me until now. I hope you will always be my #1 support system, especially for the another journey I or even we build together in the future. That's all for me. Thank you.